Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jude from Happiness and Crafting. So today we are on Friday Freebie 28. Now this is the autumn themed, and this is beautiful. Loving these lovely colours. So we've got some pumpkins and sunflowers and some lovely little journaling cards on this one. So we have had 4 weeks of the Friday Freebie in the autumn theme. So for those of you that aren't on Facebook, you can now purchase all 4 from my Etsy shop, and they will be in sort of like one little package. So that will be in there. That's in there today. So they're all together. So what I've done today, I haven't made anything, because what I'm going to do, I've just cut them all out. So I'm going to pop them here, and this is the one, the envelope journal that I was working in to put the other ones in, the other 3 sets. So this was one of them, and then we made the little tuck out of that one as well. And this is just a journal that I made from the Shades of Autumn, which is in my Etsy shop as well. So I'll pop the links to everything down below. So this was the last week's one that we made, with the backing papers, and we made the little folder on that one, and then decorated the front. So I'm going to keep everything in here. This is today, so this is what I'm going to do today. Oops. I'm going to pop those in. So I've just popped them in the places where I want to pop them. This one here was part of last week's as well, when we made the little envelopes. So I've popped those in. That's one of this week's, which I would like to put there. These are just from last week as well, and this one is from this week, which I'm going to pop there. And this one. So I've just added these into here so I can keep all the Friday freebies in this little journal. This is the one we made last week, because we just made the little folder, and I just popped the little envelopes in there. So I'm going to just pop that to the side so it's not bumpy while I'm working. So let's start from the front. So what I want to do, I've cut them all out. I'm going to use this journaling card. I'm not quite sure which way up it goes, don't think it really matters. And I'm going to use the pumpkins, and then this piece of paper is just off the backing papers from Shades of Autumn kit. So I'm going to just use that as like a little pocket in there, like a little tuck, so that fits in there like that. And then I'm going to pop the pumpkins on the bottom. But what I thought I might do with the pumpkins is just attach the bottom bit, and then we've got an extra little tuck there. So I'm going to pop those on. So it's quite simple. I did sew around the outside on these just because I like the sewing, but obviously you don't have to. So I'm just going to pop some glue around here. I'll pop the details on how to make the little envelope journal down below as well. So I thought it was really nice to pop everything in here so it's all together. So I'm just going to pop some glue down the sides like this. I'm just using, this is just the tacky glue in here that I use. Oopsie daisy. But again, use whatever glue that you like to use. I'm just going to stick that round here, just like that, and again decorate it as well with whatever little bits of fabric and lace and autumn themed bits and pieces that you've got. So that's that, and that just fits in there. So how simple is that? And you've got lots of room to put lots of other little bits and pieces in there. So this one, actually I might use again a little bit of cheesecloth. Now I've ordered some more cheesecloth because I'm going through it very quickly. So I'm just going to chop a little bit of this off. Just pop it, just not even that much, because I want to just pop it on the bottom because we're making a little tuck. So let's just use the glue stick, just a little bit on here, like that. Just stick it down. It's just so we've got a little bit of texture in there. And then what I want to do is, I don't want to stick this bit down. I'm just going to stick this little bit down here. I might actually do it with this glue. just here, just like that. Stick that on there. That's it. And that can just stick there, so we've got another little tuck spot there. So that looks good, doesn't it? So perfect. So you've got the option. I might stick that little bit down actually. Let's see, because you can still put stuff in there. So I think I just stick this little bit down as well, just so it doesn't rip off or bend. Just there like that. And then that can sit in there and that can tuck in there. Actually, I've got some of these journaling cards from my kit as well. So that could fit in there and that can fit on there. Perfect. I like that. So let's have a look. Now this one I'm just going to pop on as well, just as a little tuck spot like that. So I'm just going to attach these pieces here. So then we've got another little journaling card or whatever you like to just pop into there. So this is quite simple because what I've done on here, I've added some leaves on there and some pumpkins, so it's all ready for you just to glue onto your page. So just stick some glue around here and down here, and like that. Stick that on here. Perfect. I've printed these on 160 gram paper. So there we go. And then that can just fit in there. So you've got a nice little tuck spot. And then this was the other one. So what I've done here on these, so they look a little bit fiddly to cut out. But what I've done in this one, I've just fussy cut just around it, just so you can see the white a little bit. And then I've just inked it. But on this one, which we're going to use as well, I've actually cut the whole thing out. Oops, you can see I've cut the whole thing out, so it depends how much fussy cutting you like to do. So what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to make another tuck spot, but what I thought I'd do, I'd just stick them down like that, and then I want to put that so it goes through here. So all I'm going to do is stick this bit down and stick that bit down. I'm going to actually put a little bit of glue on here and stick that on top of that one like that. Actually, isn't it glue underneath? So you've got two together. I'm just going to glue that bit and that bit, so then it just tucks in there like that. So this bit here like that, and then just that little bit there, and then stick that down there in the corner. And then this should just pop in there, and you can see the little corner there. Make sure the glue is dry first. And again, just decorate it with whatever you like as well. There's no glue on there, and that just fits in there nicely. So I think that looks really nice too. Okay, and then the last one, how easy is that? And this is one of that was the first one I did for the journals, for the Friday freebies, and that was what we put on with our little stamped letters. Okay, and this one again, let's just take this out. I'm just going to make another little tuck spot, but I'm going to do that one at the top, so it just slides in like that. So I think they look really good. I'm going to add a little bit of cheesecloth to this one. What did I do with the bit I just cut off? I don't know. Let's cut another piece. This is why I get through so much, because I keep losing it. This cheesecloth goes really well with the autumn themed, I think. So let's just stick a little bit of this down onto here. Wrinkle it up a little bit. just like that. And which way shall we have it? So we just stick this side down. Stick these little bits on here. Stick that down like that, and then you've got a lovely little tuck spot. Whether that will work, I might have to just stick a little bit here, just like that, so it sticks down like that. So then we have another little tuck spot on there. So there we go, guys, easy peasy. So again, you can cut out as many bits as you want and pop them in there. You might need a smaller card in there. Oh, I don't know. That fits quite nicely. So that's the pumpkin one, and this is part of it as well. And then we turn over. Let's have a look. Which one did we do? We did this little tuck here, which is nice on there. So we've still got plenty of room to do some journaling in. All the added bits in there. And this was our little tuck there. So these are great little tuck spots. And where's the other one? And there's this one. So I think they all look really, really nice. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed all the autumn themes on this one. I really did, and I absolutely adore the colours. So I've got a lovely autumn journal there, ready to do some journaling in. Alright guys, well I hope you did enjoy the autumn theme. Not sure what we're going to be doing next for next Friday, but I'm sure I will come up with something else. So do enjoy it, have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you next time. Alright guys, take care, bye bye.